And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I just want to show you, look at this. So I've got one cat which is fully grown, 2, 3, oops, 4, and then one is just new and the other is a newborn. So I just need to find it, and then I can go make a neon cat. So yeah, where is it? It's this way. Oh, here it is. I'm so excited. I've made a neon dog in my last video, and this video I'll be making a neon cat, and then I will be trying to make a neon black moon bear. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, where's my cat gone? Don't see my cat. That's okay, we'll catch up. Where's my cat? Hello. Oh, I might have. Oh yeah. Unequipped it. Oh, whoops! I think I just exited. Yay! I'm so excited. Oh, where am I? Oh, need to go back in. Yay! Okay, quick. Okay, so let's go and put that one on. Place pet. Yay! Place pet. This one. Oh my gosh, last one. Is it this one? Oh my gosh. Oh, where are they all? Yes! Oh my gosh, look at it. Hope you get up. Oh, look at it. That looks so cute. It's literally pink. It's adorable. I'm so excited. Also, let me know if you guys like when I do the neons and all that. Also, my thing, if you're wondering if you want to like add me or whatever, my thing is that. Okay, bye.